Is that light seriously not even plugged in? You're a drift slut, so stop seducing me with your comfiness. Incoming love cushion, watch out. Good morning, gang. It's been a few days since you've actually seen the video of me picking this up. If you didn't know, I actually bought this Soarer. It's a 2J Soarer, and it was on Facebook Marketplace for like £700, so we obviously went and got it. So the plan for this was going to be, it's going to be a drift flag. I've even called it Slut. The name is Slut. Since I bought this car, I've actually not looked at it, not checked the MOT history, not done anything. Now I know it's not got an MOT. I'm actually going to previous MOT it on my phone, have a look at everything that it's failed on, and then double check them on the car to see how bad they are. I have no idea if this is even going to pass an MOT. The second thing we're going to do is we're going to actually start to strip it out. We're going to start to strip out the interior. I actually posted on the Soarer page already if anybody wants any parts, so if you are a Soarer owner and you do need anything from this, let me know. I'm keeping the wings. That's another thing we're going to do. We're going to take off these wings, because these wings, I actually paid a little bit extra to get these wings on the car, because they're like vented and like wider than my standard one. So I'm going to get these painted black and I'm going to put them on the black Soarer. Literally, this car's already hurt me. It's cut me in my leg and it's bleeding like mad. Obviously, well, it's not like mad, that's just me being a little bit of a little bitch, but it is bleeding. So the first thing I wanted to do was take the diff off and weld it. But that can't happen because the guy who's supposed to be welding the diff has actually got the virus which shall not be named. He's actually got it. Like he actually said, I can't come into work for 2 weeks because I literally have got it. So I was like, oh, okay. That's changed the plans a little bit, but it's fine because there's no drift days anyway, and I can't really go sliding it legally. I'm not joking. I haven't been sliding it illegally. Well, not this one anyway. So yeah, we're gonna actually look at the MOT history and see how much it would take to actually get this car MOT'd and do some little things like that. So let's jump in and see what we're bloody gonna find. But just before we go any further, as you do know, as you may not know, we actually started up our own car giveaway company. We're actually giving away track cars, fully prepped, fully built track cars. We're going to be raffling them off with some other track prizes as well. So we're launching as we speak. It'll be tomorrow, but as you watch this video, it'll be either up now or later on this evening. So we started with an absolute bang. We started balls in anything. We got 3 prizes up straight away. We've also gone extra ballsy and put them up with only a couple of weeks on the raffle as well, so we didn't want to be one of those companies that's waiting for months. We've gone absolutely ballsy. We're confident as anything. The car is amazing, that all the prizes are amazing. So you want to win some of the best prizes you can get on for amazing prices. Track car giveaways, as you say, we are live now. We're absolutely buzzing to get this off the road, so please go and check out the Instagram and the website. All the prizes will be on there now, and I'd love to hear your feedback as well on the prizes and also the website and everything as well. So please go on there, give me a message on Instagram, give me a DM, drop me an email, and I'll be happy to hear your thoughts. First things first, other than I'm a realist, we're going to check the MOT history on this. If you are ever buying a car, make sure you check the MOT history. You can tell wonders about a car just from checking the MOT history. Wait, it's actually not even that bad. It actually passed its last MOT. It's not failed one. It failed one in 2018 for a brake and a fog light. Now it's got a lot of minors. It's got a lot of minors. Okay, let me just print screen this so you can see on screen. Okay, here we go. Vehicle structure is corroded, but structurally rigidity is not. Okay, so it's got a bit of rust. We already know that. Near side seatbelt anchorage prescribed area is corroded. Okay, more rust. Offside seatbelt is corroded. Okay, more rust. Front brake disc worn. Okay, so you need to check the brakes. Rear brake disc worn. Brake pipe corroded, covered in grease or material. Okay, so someone's tried to cover up the rust. Power steering component has slight seepage. That's why we're getting that noise. So we got low fluid. That's why we're getting all that power steering noise. It makes horrible noise when you're turning. Oil leak but not excessive, meh. Rear passenger seats missing at the time of test, so someone stripped this out. So it's actually not even that bad. Like, I thought it'd be failing on loads of stuff. It's rust, whatever, fuck it, we'll just put some seat on top of it. What are you talking about, man? Brakes, and yeah, topping up some fluid. Mate, this has got past fucking MOT first time, this slot doing some bits.
Right, so as I said, the first thing we're going to do, easiest thing we're going to do is just take these wings off. These wings are going to get painted. I think I'm going to take them tomorrow. So we're going to get these wings off and put the old ones back on. I have no idea what shape the old ones are in. Well, actually I do. They're in god-awful shape. I don't know how awful they are. How do these... Oh, there we go. Yeah, they're disgusting, but at least it's somewhat legal. These are going to be getting painted black and they're going to go my Soarer. Now, I'm not going to put the good Soarer wings on this because this is a shit box and they're in really good condition. So I'm just going to put these on just so it's illegal. Wait, is it illegal to drive around with no wings? I'm guessing it is because there's sharp edges and stuff. So I don't even know, is it? Whoa, they've seen better days. They're going to go back on now. Obviously, I'm not going to be painting over these or whatever. Yes, I actually not told you about this. I actually want to do something, man. I either want to do a driveway wrap or a driveway spray can. Looking at the bodywork, I think it would be better to do a driveway spray can. I do want to do like a massive livery. I do want to put like all True Rally stickers all over it. True Rally. So go and give True Rally a follow. Well, our holiday company. Car holiday company, like track car giveaway ones all over it as well. I kind of just want to do like a bit of a mad little livery on it. So I don't know if we need to rock can it or wrap it. I think I'm going to do a poll on my Instagram. So go over my Instagram, I'm going to do a poll whether to spray can it or wrap it. I think a lot of people will want to see wrapping it, but I don't know. Let's say I think it'll be easier spray canning. So first, let's get this wing off so we can put those shit ones back on. Now, I can literally see here where someone's not been drilling that nicely, so I'm hoping that these have been installed at least somewhat correctly. Be happy again. Don't you dare say we can just be friends. Feels like there's just one more bolt. Well, it's not even like a nut, and we're off, I think. So we drill to the light as well. Fucking hell, we'll drill to the light, lads. It's gonna be a little bit awkward to get the light off of that. What are we fucking stuck on? Is that light seriously not even plugged in? You can tell which side's been out in the rain and which side hasn't. This has been out in the rain and this side hasn't. So I'm quickly gonna put these wings back on the Soarer and then we'll start with the other bits. Let me show you these wheels. Now these wheels, yes, they look disgusting, but apparently they're actually worth a bit of money. So what we're going to do, we're going to bring Andy and we're going to see what he says. I'm going to give him a business proposal. Yep, no worries, I'll just go fuck myself then. So I'm very confused. I'm getting the wing on, but trying to put the light in, it just doesn't work. This is just hitting that. So how is that supposed to work? Okay, I've looked online and they're definitely bent. Yeah, okay, so I need to bend that back. It's just been bent, so I'm going to take it off and... Oh, what? Fuck it. Well, this is not what I expected to be doing when I was putting the wings on. Totally remolding. I don't even care if it's meant to be perfect and it's not. As long as I just get these fucking wings on, I really couldn't give a shit anymore. That'll do. Yeah, you. So spent fucking ages getting one of the bolts on and giving up, and I'm banging a cable tie. Right, after way too long, we have the wings on. Are they perfect? Yeah, of course they are. I fucking did it. The bar with the bolts is broken on this side as well, so we cable tied it. Look, lovely. Now there's actually one more thing I want to do. There's actually might be a couple of things I want to do. I actually got off Jake. We got a drift button. Yes, lads. Oh, he said I'll give you one if you can put your stick on a car. Now, I know Jake quite well. I didn't even know he had any sort of brand or business, or not sure exactly what it is. He literally just told me last minute. Yes, Zero Traction. So thank you, Zero Traction. The Instagram will be on the screen now, links in the description. I'm sorry, Jake, that this is a terrible plug. I didn't even know about it. You've not even told me. I still don't even know what it is. But thank you for your purchase. I'm guessing you can buy things like this, like drift buttons and stuff. If he is, that's cool as fuck. Thank you, Jake. So we're going to put it in now. Now, I've been told that you just push it on, and I've pushed this one on, and I can't get it off. So I don't think this isn't a push one. I've asked Jake and he says that doesn't work. There's a spinny one which you spin onto the spring. So we're going to fit this. We're going to fit the drift button. So the idea of this is that you can actually pull your handbrake up without having to hold that. Obviously this one doesn't work because it's the wrong one I put on and I can't get it off. So apparently now because this is a screw one, we're going to unscrew this. So normally some of them just push on. So I think, obviously I pushed that on quite hard. Jake said push it on quite hard. Of course he did. So I pushed it on quite hard and it's like not doing anything. So he said take it out and try the screw one. So now we're going to take this out and try the screwy one. Does this pull off now? Oh, there we go. Right, okay. And then he said take out the spring. That is a spring. Right, so now we have this black thing. So I think we screw this in until it goes tight. I don't know what I'm fucking doing here, lads. Down. Want to park? We go boom, boom. And then it's on, and then we obviously just pull it and it's down again. Cool beans, bro. And I've just found the perfect place to put this sticker. I'm gonna put it right here for two reasons. One, so our passengers know that we are sliding because we have zero traction. And two, so that every time I do a GoPro inside the car, all you people in YouTube comments who are saying, you can't drift an auto, what a waste of money. All to those people, it'll be a constant reminder of that you said this won't slide, but yet we're here with no traction. Because why what? We are sliding because you can what? Drift an auto. So there you go, YouTube comments. Make a mental note of that and reflect back to when you said that this car will not go sideways, okay? You wait. Right, so I think the last thing we're gonna do is let's get these rear seats out, shall we, lads? Lads. Yeah, we're gonna take the rear out just so it gives it like a little bit more effect. By the time it comes on track, I might have everything out, but I'm going to be changing the steering wheel soon, so I'm guessing a lot of that's going to have to come off, so it makes sense just to do it then instead of taking it all off now, and we'll just do that when we're doing the steering wheel, make the video a bit longer, you know what I mean? But yeah, I have actually ordered a boss kit, so the boss kit will come on and I'm actually taking the steering wheel out the clear, so we'll have a nice little drift wheel going on instead of that big old bus. But yeah, I've actually been posting this online. Some people want the badges, so we sold the badges, which is quite cool. I think some guy's going for the whole interior, so I'll leave that in until he decides what he wants, but he's not going to be able to come until after lockdown anyway. So yeah, let's get the rear seats out, let's. Just sat here wondering how the hell I get these seats out. This is a comfy fucking car. This is an absolute shag wagon, this, lads. Mate, take this USC, I've practically got my own fucking 5-star B&B in back of this. Too bad it's a drift slag, so it's going. Don't try to stop it, slut. Don't try and change your fucking aura with me. You're not a shagging wagon, you're a drift slut. So stop seducing me with your comfiness. Pretty sure I remember. I'm pretty sure I remember coming back. I think I just yeeted the bottom seat. So I'm gonna try this. I'm just gonna get a big yeet. Alright. Yeah, yeet! Oh, there we go. Yeah. Oh, my head. Oh, fucking bastard. Incoming love cushion, watch out. Mate, if that's not a baby maker, I'm not really sure what is. Right, so there's some people on the Soarer page which want some bits, so there's a guy who wants this. Apparently this is quite sought after. I've had a few people who've messaged me for this little thing here, so somebody wants that, so we're gonna get that off. Someone wants the badges from the back, so we're gonna take the back badges off. Someone wants a badge from the front, so we're gonna take the front badge off, but I'm gonna try to just get this out now, but I feel like I've got to pull all this up and undo some shit. Shouldn't be too difficult. Other than this bit down here at the bottom. There we go. So, I just feel complete when you're by my side. There we go. So just had to do some pulling and find out where it was stretching and stuff, but just pops out the back. There's these two little clips. It just goes in like that. Boom. Come around the back. Push them two together. Pops out. There we go. And that's worth more than you'd think. So good little find there. A lot of guys want this. There's a load of people which want this. The heater controls. But I'm gonna keep it for now, just because obviously if I'm doing it in the summer and I do want some air conditioning, the air conditioning does actually work, then it will. And another word, and then also if it's overheating, I can just put the heaters on full and get some hot air through the car. So I'm gonna keep that for now. There's obviously, oh, something's been wired in there, not sure what that is, something aftermarket. Some guys want the steering wheel as well, so obviously that'd be good when I get my other one when my bus kit arrives. When you do things like this, one thing leads to another. Now look where I am. I've got gear knobs off, bloody everything. I've got the car shouting at me because I'm in neutral when not supposed to be, because I don't know. Apparently this button, apparently, I don't know, I don't speak Japanese, but apparently Lexus Club SC300 do. Apparently to press that you can go into neutral when you're in park, but mine isn't connected and I can't find where it's supposed to be connected, so I'm probably just gonna have to just leave it. Hence why I'm here with the fucking battery starter on there, with this shouting at me, trying to get everything back bloody together. There we go, all looking back to normal. Now we've got to get the badges off, so I've got my hairdryer out. Gonna get this Griffin badge off first. Then we're going to get the two ones on the back off. Now I don't have anything plastic or any wire. Actually I might have some trim removal tools. Like I said, I should be using a heat gun, but I've actually lost mine. I lent it to Jesse ages ago and I've never seen it since, so I'm blaming Jesse. He's going to say that that's not the case, but I'm still going to blame him nonetheless. Right, there's the Griffin badge gone. It's a Gryffindor. Now I'm just going to take the badges off. Now Jesse actually tried telling me to take the black one off, the Toyota badge off, because it might look quite good. So this is going to be quite good to see if I should do it on mine or not, taking this off. So that's what it looks like before. The guy wants this one and the Soarer badge, so I'm going to have to be really careful with the Soarer one, so hopefully I don't snap it down the middle. But we'll see how good it looks. Apparently, I've seen pictures on Google and it actually makes the whole car look wider, so I might actually do it to mine, but let's get them off. So note to self, I will not be doing it to my Soarer because it leaves these stupid holes and that's just annoying. Obviously I'm going to do it to this one because the guy wants the badges and I've already said yes, so, but I'm going to have to find a way to do them holes, which is very annoying. Probably just got to help us to get some tiny little grommets and just bang them in. I'm not entirely that arsed about it looking super clean. If I do repaint the whole car, I'll just get a little bit of filler over these bits. Get a little bit of filler on, sand them down, sweet. Right, that's the best I can be bothered doing on a car, which I don't really give that much shit about the exterior. Yeah, I don't really care, that's cool. I've made some money from it, so I don't go fuck. No, I will, again, as I said, I'll need to do that just for anti-rust reasons, so I'll probably just get some grommets, stick them in, or if anyone knows a better way, please let me know in the comments now. And if I do either paint or wrap the whole car, then I'll just get it smoothed over. Just put some filler on and just smooth it over and then paint it. So I think I'm going to end it there, guys. I've been out here for quite a while now and it seems like I've not really got much done. But them wings were a joke. They look disgusting, but it's fine. It's always about making small moves. I want to be doing this so I can take my time with it during this lockdown, and then once we're all free and drift days start happening, it'll be ready. So we're slowly getting there. We are going to do some engine mods. I've got some new mods coming from my Soarer, so the old mods from that Soarer are going to go on this one. So a few things going there. I feel like I want to be totally bodged, and I feel like I want to, I've never done it before, but I feel like I want to cut the springs. I feel like I want to get a grinder on the springs and just see what it's like. I think it'd be an absolute laugh. So if you do want to see that, please let me know in the comments that you want to see me cutting the springs with an angle grinder. I think it'll be hilarious. As I said, I really don't care that much about this car. I love it, but in terms of like value, you know, it's not really much to me. It's worth more like the engine and stuff. Just looking at that light, it really doesn't mean much to me. So cutting springs, I think that's just something you've got to do in your life, and I've never done it, so I think it'd be an absolute laugh to do that. So I'll probably end up doing that and fuck the YouTube comments. But yeah, slowly process. We're going to slowly keep getting there, and by the time drift days come, we'll be able to get straight out. I can't wait. We've got that the fake hydro now. Yeah, we just need to weld the diff. All the drifting boys that have spoken to me, they said literally they've gone out in like 90 horsepower cars, welded the diff, and that's it. Like, they're good to go. So this has got 230 horsepower. So it's not a slow car by any means. Obviously it's a slow car, it's so heavy, but there's a lot of power and the wheelbase is so long that this will get sideways, guys, and my camera's going to die. So I hope you enjoy this little video. Yeah, don't forget to check out track car giveaways. It'll be live probably by the time you see this video, so go check that out. Check out True Rally as well, and I love you all, and I'll see you next time.